Built in the early 1900s during Syracuse's manufacturing boom, the Lofts at 1117 is now reimagined into 38 affordable condominiums.
Remember the dinner, he broke it and rose again. Look at the way that I walk, yeah.
Inside these units, you'll find contemporary finishes, quartz countertops, Energy Star appliances, and thoughtfully designed living spaces.
Look at the way that I walk, yeah. Look at the way that I walk, yeah. Look at the way that I walk
and I talk, but only God can see the spark in my heart. And I'm not here to paint a perfect picture for you. Understand this is more than just art. I'm blood covered in the sea.
Residents enjoy secure access, private parking, beautiful courtyard, all just minutes from downtown Syracuse and Tipperary Hill. These units are sold on a first-come, first-served basis with income restrictions under $85,000.
Praying for open doors, should have been praying for what you need. Let's get a feather and tickle their nose. They looking for blessings, make them sneeze.
Look at the way that I walk, yeah. Look at the